Hello and welcome. Last time I configured load balancer for Rancher. This time I deploy Longhorn storage to the Kubernetes cluster. Open up system from your Kubernetes cluster and then from apps open launch. This is kind of internal app storage in Rancher. Look for Longhorn. Configure a ready-made, only little tweaks for it. I want to use Longhorn to default storage, so check that button. Otherwise default settings are good. Then launch Longhorn installation. Then the installation is ready, you can access the Longhorn GUI. Storage is ready, syncing between hosts. Here are all hosts which are in Longhorn whole Kubernetes cluster. If you decide that you want to remove one host from Longhorn cluster, select the host and set scheduling to disable and eviction to true. Also, you can modify host setup if need, or add tag. Okay, let's try Longhorn storage with MySQL on Kubernetes. Test app market MySQL. Database offend required persistent storage. Basic settings only change is default storage setting. Change storage to Longhorn. Let's check what happened on Longhorn GUI. New storage is allocate. And status is healed. MySQL is using it already. Data is replicating to all hosts in cluster. Thanks for watching and see you soon.